Hello friends, I am Vaibhav Markad and today we will discuss frameworks in Java. So collection framework in Java in data structures specifies way to store data and organize in its computer memory to that their data can be used efficiently later. There are number of types data structures, linear data structure, non-linear data structure. So first one we will be discuss linear data structure. If all instead elements uses linear memory location, then this structure is termed as arrays. If all inserted elements uses the concept of a pointer or a link, then this termed as in linked list. For example, linear data structure, arrays, stacks, linked list, queues, etc. Second one is a non-linear data structure. So it represent the hierarchical represent between various elements, graph, family tree, table of content, collection framework represents a unified structures for sorting and manipulating of group of objects. It has interfaces and algorithms. Hierarchy of collection frameworks, java.util.package contains all the frameworks and interfaces and classes. So collections are there are three types of collections: list, array list, linked list, vector, stacks, and queue set. Also, queue also defined as there are two mainly types: priority and dequeue, uh, array dequeue. So first one will be discuss array list. In array, we store the elements in the contiguous form, and array has fixed contiguous memory location. The main drawback of array is when contiguous memory is full, we can add only new elements in the array. It means array has fixed size. Array list overcomes both of these properties. Array list has a non-contiguous memory. Size of array list is variable, means it is fixed. It changes every time we can add number of elements. So in array we use primitive data types and objects. For example, integer array of a, string array of a, etc. In array list we can only store objects. Because as it is create object, it will get memory. But when we primitive data types, in case of array, we have to give memory priorities. Array list maintain insertions order, no sorting. Second one is a linked list. Linked list does not store the elements in contain contiguous locations, like as a array. Each elements linked with each other using pointers. Each element is called as node. Linked list class in Java implement list interface. It also implements a clonable, serializable, and interface. So whenever we want to add or insert a new elements in a list, we will use linked list, because elements are joined by the link each other. Whenever we want to insert the elements in a linked list, at that time it is very easy to link list. Add insert time complexity will reduce and becomes big O of 1. And it we want to use search elements from the list by using insertions at a first. Linked list will we'll use one by one. Set time complexity will be increased and becomes big O of n. So properties of a linked list can contain duplicate elements, maintain a insertion order. Every element store the address of each next element. Every next element it can contain only number of values non synchronized. So thank you.